Hello everyone, welcome to Question Daily, where we tackle different questions every day. So here we have a long question from chemistry and on your screen now. Take a minute and read the question. Okay, let me explain it to you. So what the question says is, we have different elements coded in different Greek letters and all of them have atomic number less than 20 except of X and Q element. Okay, so the first question is, alpha, beta, and gamma are monoatomic, non-reacting gases. And under 20, we only have three monoatomic gases. Those are helium, neon, and argon. Now, further, we are told that has the smallest radius. So we all know which gas has the smallest radius of all. That is helium. So beta equal to helium. First answer. Now, nothing has been mentioned further, so we can infer that one of alpha and gamma is neon and argon. And argon. Right? Now we have done our A part. The next part is delta epsilon phi theta are diatomic gases, and also X and Q are diatomic elements. And now we know that diatomic elements under 20 are mostly non-metals. So non-metals can be diatomic non-metals can be hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, and yeah, these are under 20 and X and Q are above 20. So we'll see what they are. Now we are given that X2 is a liquid. X2 is a liquid, and we only have one liquid non-metal at room temperature, that is bromine. So X is bromine, right? Now we are given Q2 is a solid, and we only have one solid non-metal here, that is iodine. At room temperature, I mean iodine. Great. Now the third part is a bit interesting. It says phi to theta reacts with some other elements given to form acidic solutions. Now acidic solutions are always formed in aqueous solutions. We know that from our acid base theories. So phi to theta must be water, that is H2O. Phi to theta must be H2O. From this we can infer that phi is hydrogen and theta is oxygen. Beautiful, no problem. Next, D part, it says delta is the most electronegative element, and we all know which is the most electronegative element, that is fluorine. So our answer for this is fluorine. Beautiful. Now our next question is that Ohm2 plus Phi2, that is H2, react to form a gas that makes a basic solution with water. Now let's see what options we have left here. We are done with hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So only two diatomic gases are left, that are nitrogen and chlorine. Now chlorine and hydrogen make to form HCl, and HCl plus water forms an acidic solution. So that's not our answer. The answer is nitrogen. Moreover, it is a very important reaction in chemistry as it is mentioned. So here we can infer that Ohm is nitrogen. And we are only left with chlorine and epsilon. So epsilon means it is chlorine. Now we are also told to write the reactions given here. So we can write it easily. N2 plus H2 gives NH3, that is ammonia, and when we balance it we get 2 here and 3 here. This is a balanced equation. Now next equation is NH3 reacting with water. So we have NH3 plus H2O, that gives us NH4OH, which is basic. And this is our last equation. So the question is solved. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and support our growing channel. Thank you.